right, welcome back. So tonight we have a requested cocktail that we had to go back and research. Thank you, Debbie, for your request to have the Paper Plane. Paper Plane is one of the cocktail I'd never heard of, and we did some research. It's got 3 ingredients. They're really simple. One of them was crazy expensive, so we got an alternative, and we'll talk about that as we go. And yes, we do have a little Paper Plane as your garnish for the sample here. So we'll talk about the ingredients. First of all, you've got a bourbon. We're going to use Buffalo Trace today. Love Buffalo Trace bourbon. It is top quality. It's a pain in the butt to get a hold of, but I love it. Next you got Aperol, which is that nice cherry, refreshing, great Italian liqueur. Now you got the weird one. This is Amaro, and this is made on the island of Sicily. The one that we were supposed to use in this one was $60 a bottle, and I said, I've never heard of Amaro, I've never tried it, I'm not spending $60 a bottle. This one was in the $25 to $30 range, and having tasted it, this is really kind of one of those Italian herbal aperitif digestives, and it's really good. We'll definitely buy these again. They're tasty. But once again, we got a really simple recipe tonight. And it's the kind of recipes we like to make. The kind of cocktails we like are simple. There's no throwing bottles around. There's no weird stuff. Simple ingredients, less ingredients, and the whole thing of less is more. So great proportions, it's 1 to 1 to 1. So 1 part, or in this case I'm going to use an ounce, of the Amaro, an ounce of the bourbon, and of course feel free to substitute whatever bourbon you like. Or can get a hold of, because some bourbons just have gotten just absolutely insane with all the collectors and scavengers that are out there. So 1 ounce, 1 ounce, and 1 ounce. Now, super easy. If you want to double it, just do 2 ounces, 2 ounces, 2 ounces. I put it in the mixing glass. Last night when we were experimenting, we tried it in a shaker, and it came out a little foamy, and I didn't like it as much. I don't think it looked as good. So this time we're just going to put it in a mixing glass and avoid all those bubbles. So that's it. That's as simple as this cocktail is, and you know, that's what kind we like. We're going to go back into our Visky Nick Nora glass, and there we are. How simple is that? 1 ounce, 1 ounce, 1 ounce. And to that, folks, cheers. Stay safe. Enjoy. Thank you for that request. This is amazing. Keep them coming. Put a comment below if you want to see something, and subscribe, to our channel. It really does help us.